Another nice piece of antique blue willow. In fact, this is Wedgwood willow. Good dates on this as well if you have a look at the website listing on it. An amalgam piece really. It's halfway between a sort of serving platter and a dish when we start showing you the sides. Little over 12 inches by I think 9.5 inches, ovoid in shape. Let's show you the side elevation on this one. You can see it's quite deep, deeper than a normal serving platter would be. This is definitely a plate dish with a large ovoid central area with that classic blue willow design on it, and the Wedgwood borders very typical with their blockwork. Nothing moth border about this. It's very much the angular borders that Wedgwood went into for this period. Now there is one slight little problem with this. You see this little antique chip where somebody's just caught that, bringing it down or up. As you can see on display, it doesn't show from the front. It is an antique piece, and that is a very old chip that's occurred sometime during the 100 or more years of existence. There's the Wedgwood Willow mark with the Eturia England. Mark number 2 would have been in a series of graduated platters when made in England stamp on it. Wedgwood upside down there. There's a italic T or L in there, and then also more marks here, BD. Not sure of the significance of that. It's probably the lot number or run. Little bit of transference just under here where somebody's held it with their hand. It's got its kiln support marks here, as you'd expect, 3 of those. Glazed base, which is in very good condition apart from that. Have a look at the glaze reflection on there. There's no damage to the glaze at all, and the actual dish surface, again, very, very nice and clean. Now, people collect Wedgwood willow, and specifically they go for Wedgwood willow because of the differentiation you get in the borders and stuff. And it's quite difficult to find these days. And this is an antique piece, so that's why we're listing it even with that rim chip under. I wouldn't do that with a 20th century piece of willow. It would probably go out, because we do tend to be quite differentiant about the condition of the china that we're listing, to make sure that you're fully aware if it has got any defects, and we only allow defects where we're listing antique rare pieces. And this is a very useful size and a useful piece for the kitchen and serving dish in general, because it holds a gravy. Vegetables can be piled on here. It's not like a flat platter that you have to put a large joint of meat in. This is a very useful piece of china, which is in very good condition, apart from that one little sad rim chip, I'm afraid. But that will be priced in. It's available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website. And if you follow the link below, it should take you through to that website listing where you can find all the measurements, details, and some more history on Wedgwood on our website. Thanks for watching.